Today is an exciting day. I've been waiting for this for about 8 days, counting down. Finally have our Rainforest Jumperoo. I'm just gonna tip this over and see what's in here. Quite a few parts in here. So I found my instructions and let's start off with step 1. I'm just going to quickly install these batteries here and let's see what happens. Alright, seems to work. Can't wait to listen to this all day for the next few months. So I just put the batteries in here and next step is to insert this rainbow. There we go. Next step, insert and snap other toys into the seat ring. Okay. And this little lizard guy, so cute. Okay. Step 2, place a hinge base on a flat surface. Alright, looks like the next step is just to put these here together. Okay, there we go. This is pretty stable here, which I like to see. Step 6, position the seat so that the inside rib side is up and the star marking is towards me. So it's a little hard to see, but the star marking is inside here. It took me a second to find it. Okay, so I did try, as you saw, putting it together the way the instructions say, and it was quite the struggle, so I think there's actually a better way. And I decided I'm just going to put the seat in here like this rather than trying to assemble it the other way and flipping it over. It goes much faster and it doesn't come apart every time, so. Okay, and the seat is in. Now that we have the seat put together, we will proceed to putting the actual jumperoo together. There we go. And there we go. There we go. These are pretty hard to put in actually. Oh, there we go. And it jumps. To put the seat in, I think the seat should have gone in first. So ideally you would definitely put the seat in first before you put in all these bars, and I must have skipped over a step somewhere. But everything is in, and we still have these two guys here. These are very easy to install. Clip them in here. And I think we're good to go here. Alright, these even adjust like this. Alright, and we have our Jumperoo. I can't wait to put the little guy in here. Now that it's all together, let's just see how it works. Looks like there's a little peekaboo. Very cute. And let's go in for the real fun here. Adorable.